Hey guys, April here. Just wanted to share a really quick, easy tip on how to make a healthy snack for, when you're on the go or whatever, so that we're not grabbing like junky chips and stuff, right? So you guys all know the like Halloween hack where after Halloween, when you carve your pumpkin, you keep your pumpkin seeds and you can roast them. I know probably most people don't do that. They just usually go in the compost or the trash, but it's a really easy, fun snack to make. And you can also do it with like acorn squash, any other like winter squash seeds. So I have acorn squash seeds that I dried. Yesterday what I did was roasted a couple of acorn squash, and then when I scraped out the insides, I rinsed the seeds. They're hard to see like this. I rinsed all the seeds and then I laid them out on a towel to dry overnight, and now today we're gonna roast them. So it's super easy. You just need like a teaspoon of like avocado oil. And I've already put my seeds on my baking pan. It's just like a jelly roll pan. So I'm gonna drizzle the avocado oil over them, and then I'm gonna toss them so that I get them all coated with some avocado oil. And I gotta wash my hands off a little bit because I have avocado oil all over them. And then I'm gonna take a teaspoon of salt. You can do like whatever seasonings you want. So if you like Cajun, use some Cajun seasonings. You could use like rosemary, whatever seasonings you like. I'm gonna keep it simple. And I don't have that many seeds, so I'm not gonna do a whole teaspoon. I'm only using like maybe a half a teaspoon. Otherwise they'll be super salty. So if super salty is your thing, then go for it. But I don't like too salty of acorn squash seeds. So anyway, here's what I've done. You can kind of see the tray, I think, down on the bottom of the screen. I've tossed them with all avocado oil, about a teaspoon, and maybe like a half a teaspoon of some pink Himalayan salt, great trace minerals in that. And then I'm just kind of patting them out so they kind of are in a pretty even layer. You don't want them all clumped together. Then they're gonna go in the oven for like 15 minutes at 300 to roast and dry, and then they'll be nice and crispy. And you guys have like a super treat that is basically free because you already bought the acorn squash and you were just going to throw these away. So just take an extra couple of minutes of work, literally a couple of minutes to rinse them and lay them out to dry, and then a couple of minutes the next day to toss them with oil and toss them with some seasoning, and then put them in the oven, and that's it. So ta-da, you're welcome. All right guys, I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye. If I can get it to shut off, my hands are gross.